Hello, we're at 2452 15th Avenue, Apartment A. We are on 15th Avenue at Taraval. There's the intersection right there. We're about mid-block, right in the inner Sunset and also really close to West Portal. So this is the in-law apartment down here on the ground level. The parking space is dedicated to this apartment, so if you were coming by car, obviously you would open the automatic garage door and pull in the car. If you're coming on foot, there's a side door here. I have it propped open for the purposes of this video. Okay, so here is the parking space for this apartment. Please note that the garage is shared and that the upper unit comes down to share the laundry machines there and also the trash and recycling bins. But the parking is private to this unit. Okay, here's the front door of the unit. Got wood floors. This first room could be a living room or a dining area. The apartment comes furnished or unfurnished, so you'll see some furnishings in it today on the video. If somebody wants those, fantastic. If not, these things can go away. All right, so this could be living room area or it could also be a dining area. Full bath, okay. Granite tile throughout, have a shower, pedestal sink, medicine chest. You can hear the exhaust fan there going. There's another look at the shower. Next we come to the kitchen. Granite countertops. We have an electric glass top stove, microwave, fridge, and plenty of white cabinet space. And granite tile floor in here. Okay, and then this is the dining area. Right now it's staged as a living area, so you really have some flexibility in this floor plan. You can use the front room as dining or living room or vice versa. So it's nice to have that option. Gorgeous, large outdoor space here that is private to this unit. A little bit of patio furniture. Okay, and now we will do the 3 bedrooms. All right, bedroom number 1. Double closet in this room. Bedroom 2, right now they have set up as a home office, but this is a proper bedroom. Here's the closet. I'd say you could do a full or a queen in this space, or use it as a home office, as you wish. So that was bedroom 2. And lastly, here we come to bedroom 3. And here's the closet for this room. Okay, also a nice big closet. All right, so that is a quick look at the unit. Please don't apply based on the video alone. We would want you and each adult that would occupy the unit to come see the unit in person before submitting applications. Okay, and here's another look back at the shared laundry, private parking space, and the shared trash and recycling with the upstairs. Thanks so much for watching.